Welcome back to Tea Family Cooking Show. Today I will be sharing my go-to bread recipe with you all. There are many homemade bread recipes. I've tried quite a few. I've also tried to create few bread recipe of my own, but the recipe I'm about to share is the best one. It's based on the basic bread recipe. I just changed a couple of things and the result turned out really great. So much so that we even stopped buying bread since I started making bread with this recipe. It's so cheap and really easy to make. Even beginners can do it. Trust me, you just need to be patient with all the procedures and the result will be rewarding. So let's watch how I bake this, shall we? So as usual, we will start with the activating of dry yeast. I got warm milk here. I don't measure the temperature, so if your milk is warm but able to touch it, that's the right temperature. Add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Mix it until the yeast is dissolved. And leave it for 15 minutes. Now we will start making the dough. I will use 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You can also use bread flour. 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Blend them together. Then add the milk and yeast mixture and blend them together until everything is combined. Again, I don't measure, so you can adjust the measurement. Add more milk if your dough is too dry, but just add 1 tablespoon at a time, so it won't be too wet. But your dough should be slightly wet and a bit sticky. Then put it on your wok surface and knead it for 15 minutes or until the dough is smooth. Now we will proof the dough. Drizzle some oil in the bowl and let the dough rest in the bowl for 2 hours or until it's double in size. Okay, it's double in size. I'll just take it out and shape by flattening it with my hand and fold like this. And I will put it on the baking tray, cover, and leave it to proof again for 15 minutes. You can just score any style you like. Just make sure to score the dough. Without this step, your dough can open in unexpected areas. I will do double glazing with egg wash. I'll just need 1 egg and a tablespoon of water. And beat it. Then just apply on the dough with a pastry brush. Once it's done, leave it for 5 minutes and repeat the process one more time. Then I will dust with some flour and it's ready to be baked. So put it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes or until the crust turns into beautiful golden brown color. I can hear the hollow sound. It's done, guys. Hope you like this recipe. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.